Hey, welcome to Bancroft Engineering. I'm Mark Olney, and today we're going to go over our TT-533 model. We came up with this design about a year ago, and I want to go ahead and show you the features and the benefits of this machine today. So we have a 20-inch table, which is a positioner, which you can adjust up to 90 degrees. We have a swing arm that is pneumatic with 4 inches of stroke, and we have plenty of adjustment for your torch angles on here. Now, as far as the live center goes, you have 18 inches of placement adjustment where you can mount these linear bearing slides up higher if you're party sided or down low. You also have 8 inches of stroke on the cylinder, and the live center comes with it as well. Okay, this is a pneumatic air slide lever. Up and down, we'll go ahead and clamp your part. Go ahead and release. Take your part out, throw the new one in, good to go. We have a very simple controller on this, as you'll see. We'll start with the machine options screen on this, where you can turn your live center on and off, the pneumatic torch on and off, our fixed home, which will zero the machine, continuous rotation on and off, and our direction we want to weld, counterclockwise or clockwise. We recently added a new feature for skip weld that can be turned on or off. You can do 2, 4, or 6 skip welds, and those are based on time, not distance. So you can weld for 2 seconds, you can enter in 1 second, you can enter in 3 seconds. Whatever your measurements are, you'll have to base it on time. Now, if we go to our manual screen, we have our pneumatics. So we have the torch in and out, and we have our spindle adjustment. So if I go ahead and the torch is out, if I go ahead and pull the torch in, go ahead and adjust your torch, make sure everything lines up good. Go ahead and bring that back out. And then we can also manually move our positioner clockwise or counterclockwise manually. Now if you're out of position and you're in certain degrees, you can just push find home and it'll find the 0 point. Okay? So let's move on to our run screen. So here's where all the settings can happen. So you can tell it to weld 365 degrees, 380 degrees, and our weld speed is based on a percentage. So right now we're going to run this at about 20%. And we can have a rotation delay for the shielding gas and the arc start, so you can have a pre-flow on there. We also have a crater fill of about a ½ a second, which will match the welder. And we have a post delay, which is about 2 seconds, and you can change any one of these settings to where you need. And then our skip weld time can be adjusted on this as well. We currently have our weld off. I am going to go ahead and turn that on. It is showing our torch is not in and our live center is not down. We have an e-stop on here, as well as a start and a hold. Start, we'll go ahead and start welding, and then if you decide you want to stop the weld, you can go ahead and push hold and then restart it anytime you want. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and lower this, and we'll go ahead and start a weld. Machine will go ahead and re-zero out because we went past 365 degrees, and there you go. This is a 500 amp machine, so you should be able to run any 500 amp MIG welder on it. Any questions, go ahead and contact us at www.bancrofteng.com. Thanks. Have a great day.